What is up, guys? Today we're gonna do a quick unboxing, get the first impression of the new Samsung Galaxy Watch. Let's go. Let's dive right into the unboxing. So the box is pretty premium. I mean, pretty nice box that they gave with the little handle, but let's get right into it. Boom. All right. And all right, first thing is we're welcome with the Galaxy Watch. Put this guy on the side. Got some cardboard here. We got two little boxes. Let's check out the left hand side. This is a charging cable. One side we got the micro USB. The other side we got a regular USB connector. Further down in the box, here we got the little charging dock. So this is supposed to be pretty user friendly. If it works similar to the Gear Fit 2, you basically just put your watch there at the end of the night and you're good to go. Of course, when it's plugged in, it will start charging it. It's holding it pretty good. Looks like it has a magnet in the back, so it's holding it in there pretty good. All right, got first box out of the way. Second box. And this is just your regular wall brick. Now we got what it looks like is a quick starting guide and some terms and conditions paperwork. This is going to be the extra silicone rubber band strap. This is a small size, just I guess in case you want to adjust it. That is it for the box. Let's get right into the watch itself. The silicone straps are very nice. It looks like they're pretty comfortable. They're not going to be a bother if you're wearing them for a while. Right on the bottom, you got your sensors. Again, the watch doesn't feel like it weighs a lot. I think it's going to be a good fit. The dial, is pretty tactile. You get that satisfaction when you turn the dial. You do get some digits inside, some numbers. Right hand side, you got your, what I believe is your multifunction button, back button, and your power button. Let's try it on real quick, see how it fits. Oh man, definitely this feels very nice, perfect fit. It doesn't weigh a lot. I thought it was gonna add some weight to it, but definitely it just feels maybe a little bit bulky, but for me, this is okay. This is the type of watches that I usually wear. So definitely this is a big plus. So we got it started up. And we should be getting a welcome message very soon. I'm probably going to skip up to the initial setup, and once I get it back up, we'll go over some of the apps real quick. All right, so we finally went through the installation, initial setup. So if you guys want to see the initial setup, let me know and I can make a video on that. But definitely here it is. So you just turn the knobs, it starts showing some of the apps. Again, it's pretty. It feels like it's pretty responsive. All right, so it looks like we've gone through the initial setup. So let's just test it out real quick. It's pretty responsive to the touch. Back button, home button. So you got your notifications and some other features. But again, I'm not going to drag this video any longer. I just want to get the first impression. At least, I mean, I'm pretty excited about the watch. This is basically my first smartwatch after the Gear Fit 2. I mean, this was more of a Gear Fitness watch, but this is going to be something that I'm going to wear with every day, bring with me. So looking forward on bringing more videos about it. So let me know, what do you want to see? What do you want me to cover on the watch? You're thinking about getting one? Did you pick one up? Or anything that you want to see? Let us know. We'll make it happen. Consider subscribing to this channel for a weekly tech video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.